Hello, welcome. I am Vishwanath Hebbar. In this new series of videos, we will learn about Python. We will learn in a step-by-step manner, starting from very basic to the advanced level. In this video, we will learn few basic things about the Python, and in the coming chapter, we will discuss how to install and write the Python codes. Now let us understand what is Python. Python is an interpreted, object-oriented, high-level programming language. So let us understand each of these concepts one by one. What is interpreted, what is object-oriented, what is high-level programming language. So interpreted means the Python code need not be compiled. There is no need to compile, no compilation. And it uses a interpreter. Python uses a Python interpreter which will convert the code into an intermediate representation. It will convert into an intermediate representation which will be executed by the Python. So basically interpreted means there is no compilation required, and Python interpreter will directly convert the code during the execution into intermediate representation or a machine executable form, and program will be executed. Object oriented means it will support the OOPS concepts such as inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, etc. Also, you can write the classes, objects, attributes, and methods in Python. High level means there is an abstraction from the implementation. It means high level programming means it is a user friendly for the programmers. High level programming language means it is a user friendly for the programmers, and there is a certain level of abstraction from the underlying computer hardware, and the more focus is on the logic and not on how the memory management and register management will happen. So let us understand what are the advantages or features of Python. Python works on different operating system platforms such as Windows, Mac, Linux. Python has a simple syntax similar to English language and easy to write the code. Python runs on an interpreter system, meaning that code can be executed as soon as it is written and no need to compile. What are the advantages and features of Python? Python supports dynamic typing. So let us understand dynamic typing. Dynamic typing means no need to declare the variables and specify the data type, while we can directly use the data type. For example, a is equal to 10 means it will be considered as an integer. Suppose a is assigned with 10.10, then it will be considered as a float. No need to specify this as an int, no need to declare the variable, and it can be directly initialized and used. So that is called dynamic typing. And Python can be used in various applications such as web development on the server side, test automation, machine learning, and data sciences. These are some basic things about the Python. So these are some basic understanding of the Python in this chapter 1, and in the coming chapters we will learn more about the Python installation, and we will continue further on that. Thank you for watching. We will meet you in the next video.